Alright, what is going on, guys? Car Geeks. Oh, God, I gotta do that. Alright, what is going on, guys? Car Geeks here with another video, and this is going to be a do-it-yourself video. So what we are doing is changing our interior lighting from white to red. So I'm going to show you guys how to do that and where we're going to start. Alright, guys, so what you're going to be doing first is you see this plastic piece. What you're going to do is you're going to prop it out with a screwdriver. You're going to go on the edges, okay, and just cut it so it comes right out. Then once you get it out, you're going to take the light bulb out. Okay, that's extremely hot. Yeah, guys, just be careful because it gets really hot. Then you're going to take yours. Any light bulb will work if it's OEM or if it has like the two silver things. You see what I mean? Okay. And what you're going to do is line it up. You're going to pop her right in there. Hold on, just make sure it's the other way. So you got to test it before you put the cap back on. And there you guys go. And that's how you make your red inside. And what I did for all that is, then make sure you put the plastic piece back up. But what I did the bottom light there, I did the door light, and actually they weren't bright enough, so I just ordered more LEDs so my whole entire car will be able to be much more lit. Can you see me? Like, is it close? Alright, so if you guys want it even brighter, what you can do is order these LED strips, and on the back they're adhesive 3M tape. And it is an AC adapter, but what we're gonna do with these, we're not gonna like ghetto rig them so there's wires everywhere. I'm gonna show you guys how to tuck them in perfectly so that you'll have a nice, sleek looking lights. It's recording?
Yes.
Okay.
I said yes.
Okay, so what we're gonna do, you come here, see how, can this door open? No, okay. All right, so I'm gonna be using the back AC port right there. So what you wanna do is spread the wires so you have this one gonna go under that seat, that one's gonna go under that, and then you're gonna make, you know, same way. This one go there, this one go here, and that one go over there. So now what you wanna do is tuck it in. See this wire? See, this is the back wire. But what you wanna do is tuck it in the line all the way so it goes right here, and then it looks very flush. Turn it on. That's lit. Now that we have one side done, where'd that screwdriver at? You can't get the wire in, just like kind of poke it in. But you don't want to fucking slice it because then you done screwed up. But you want to stick it in there and just slide it up. See what I mean? Yep, just lift this part up. Alright guys, so we just downloaded the app. I'm gonna hit OK to everything.
I'm trying to get hired by Car Geeks. I'm gonna be the new photographer and video taker.
Yeah, we did it. Look at that. Ready? Just keep the camera there. Ooh, we could do that. We could click it and it changes for you. But we're gonna put it on red, cause now it's lit. Yeah, look at this. Look how red it is in here, yo. We have to shut all the doors. Shut the doors.
Run, Samir, run.
Oh yeah. Oh, we could turn the brightness up.
It's so red.
Yo, it's so red in here. Look how red it is. It's like I don't know what I just did, but the lights are going with the music. Hey guys, now that the wiring is nice and now that the wiring is all nice and clean back here, you can turn them on. What the heck? They were supposed to be red. All right, that's it for today, guys. Thank you for watching, and stay tuned for more videos. I have a lot getting done in my car. Different color. That's it for today, guys. Thank you for. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe.